I'm very upset for my last giveaway because some people trying to make fake YouTube and Twitter accounts to make the price claim, and I already verified that, but that makes me very annoying about that. Really? Yes. And after that, I have been thinking a lot about whether I should do my giveaway in the future. And yes, I have made decision to continue to my giveaway in the future because I want to share my tech videos, share my products to you guys for my channel, and I want to let more of you guys happy about my products, and everybody have the chances to win one very good smartphone from me. Okay, so today I'm announced that my new giveaway is on the way. Okay, and my working staff have prepared the prize for this brand new giveaway. Okay, so let's go to my office to check what's the amazing gift for this new giveaway. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, they prepared iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max here, guys. So this time the giveaway is very nice for you guys. Although last time we gave you the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, this time we give you also the flagship for iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max here. So let's check out the color first. Okay, so we got the iPhone XS Max here. Okay, iPhone XS Max Silver. Okay, we got 4 pieces here, and then we got the iPhone XS is space gray, 3 pieces. And then we got, okay, this iPhone XS gold color, also 3 pieces. Okay, so this is a giveaway for you guys for this time, and I will show you guys the products inside the box later. Let's talk to something else first, okay? Some of my friends suggest me that I need to make a change for my giveaway because so many people participate in my giveaway, so many comments, so many subscribers for my giveaway, and many subscribers complaints that they didn't win my giveaway. Although I remember I have done about 5 to 6 giveaways, and they win nothing. So I'm sad about this, and I think it's quite normal because I have so many subscribers, about 16,000 subscribers. But each time I give away about only 10 or 20 or 12 or 15 pieces prizes for you guys. So there's a little possibilities for you guys to win my giveaway. So that's kind of lucky, okay? And my friends suggest me to ask you guys to pay like $10 to participate in my giveaway. That's the first condition. If you want to participate in my giveaway, you need to pay $10. That's the condition. But I said it's not good. No, I don't think it's good because my giveaway is just for entertainment. It's not something like gambling, okay? So I really like you guys to enjoy my giveaways and enjoy the process when you participate in my giveaway with other subscribers. It's just an activity for you guys to communicate here with me, and it's just like a forum for us to talk about the tech products, about some tech trends, okay? So I will stick my principles that everybody can participate in my giveaway and it's free. Just subscribe my YouTube channel and leave comment down below my video, and then we will pick the winners by the comments down below our video by random. So everybody has a chance to win. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's come back to the prizes here. Okay, so let's check the iPhone XS here. Some people doubt that my giveaway is fake because I say in my last giveaway for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, there's a guy called I forget his name, but he made a video to state that my giveaway is fake with proof. It's so funny. He said that my iPhone didn't have the small writings below the iPhone. He said it's fake. What can I say? I can say he's very funny. Okay, he's so cute. Actually, the iPhone with small writings in the bottom, that is international version or European version. But the iPhone in the bottom without the small writings, only iPhone in the bottom, that is US version for American market. Okay, guys. So my giveaway is 100% real, and I have done a video to show you guys that my giveaway is real with proof. I don't want to talk about this anymore. If you guys think my giveaway is true, then I think you get possibilities to win. If not, I think you may not have the chance to win. Okay, so let's come back to the iPhone XS Max. Okay, unbox it, okay? Wow, it's good. So guys, I just want to show you guys that it's not empty box. We have the actual products inside it. For sure, 100%. Guys, so this is iPhone XS Max, right? I want to just show you guys, and with accessories. This is UK version, also for the Hong Kong version. And I can show you guys the accessories. Earbuds, USB cable, charger. I said this is for UK charger, for United Kingdom and the Hong Kong. Okay. So, want to say some other? Okay. I don't want to tell that my giveaway is fake, because let's do it, okay? Wow. Wow, okay. So, again, this one. Again, okay. iPhone XS Max silver. Okay, this iPhone XS Space Gray. I just unboxed in front of you guys, okay? It's brand new. And it's 512 gigabytes. Okay? This is iPhone XS Space Gray, and it shows 512 gigabytes here. And this is for the US version, and with US charger here, guys. iPhone XS, and I can even turn it on, show you guys. Okay, I turn it on the iPhone XS Space Gray. Okay, and I'll show you later about this. Okay, so want to unbox the next? Okay, no problem. I will show you guys definitely here. Okay. Okay, guys. Also, iPhone XS Max silver. Okay. Okay. Okay, so iPhone XS here, Space Gray. I just turn it on. And I will show you guys this is real iPhone XS. It's not just something empty box, fake products. Okay, so everything here, guys. Okay, I will unbox the last one to show you guys. It's not, okay, it's also this one, okay? Actually, the feeling is so good. when I unbox the new phones. I like it this video very much. Okay, guys, iPhone XS Max Silver. So guys, I have unboxed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces iPhone XS Space Gray and iPhone XS Max Silver here, and the rest, okay, 5 pieces. I don't want to unbox all of them. Just here is this. Is this enough, guys? So this is the giveaway this time, and I hope you guys can really enjoy this giveaway. And the rules is the same. Just follow my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel, and leave any comments down below this video. And the winners will be picked up random by any of the comments down below our video. It's random, okay? And I hope you guys are very good luck in this giveaway. Even you didn't win my last giveaway, doesn't matter. It's just for entertainment, okay? It's not something like gambling. I really hope you guys just enjoy this giveaway and check my YouTube channel. And I do tech videos except the giveaway. And I promise you guys every month we do one giveaway just for entertainment and for my respect and my interaction with you guys, with my subscribers. So that's just an activity, an entertainment, not something like gambling, okay? And if you win, congratulations, you have a very good luck on my giveaway. If you didn't win, doesn't matter, because you just enjoy the process when participate in my giveaway, okay? Okay, that's it. Okay, so much for my giveaway this time, and I really hope you guys can understand better of my giveaway, and I hope you guys can have best luck in this giveaway and win at least one iPhone XS or iPhone XS here and the iPhone XS Max here this time. Okay, see you guys, see you next time, peace.